Hi, I'm Stephen Ju, Portfolio Manager at Allianz Global Investors. We're excited to tell you about our newest investment opportunity in the innovative Carbon Neutral Fund. As we all know, climate change could be one of the greatest challenges facing our world. In a recent poll, 70% of the world ranked climate change as a major threat to their country. Fortunately, the world is beginning to take decisive action, and there is now a global effort underway toward building a carbon-neutral future. Governments around the world are now providing policy support and financial commitments. Corporations are now formally stating net zero aspirations, and consumers have heightened motivation to contribute to a carbon-neutral future. Meeting these aspirations will require a tremendous amount of investment over the next several decades. We think this tectonic shift toward carbon neutral is one of the biggest market opportunities today. It could require over $100 trillion of investment in innovative solutions to completely rebuild our economy off fossil fuels to help enable a sustainable future.
Hi, I'm Paul Strand, Portfolio Manager at Allianz Global Investors. There are significant technological innovations progressing across three major dimensions of clean power generation, industrial transition, and transportation innovation that we believe will help achieve carbon neutrality in the coming years. In clean power generation, the move to renewable energy is rapidly displacing fossil fuels. Declining costs in areas like solar and wind are making these renewable sources increasingly price competitive. Further, innovations in energy storage will help solve the intermittency challenge, allowing energy produced at different parts of the day to be stored and later distributed to meet peak demand whenever needed. As more of our labs go digital, so we'll also need more efficient technologies and grid management to keep pace with the growing data processing and electricity demands of the future. Our transportation ecosystem is in the beginning phases of undergoing a big shift towards dramatically reducing carbon emissions. There is a significant opportunity to transition away from gasoline-powered vehicles and towards electrified vehicles and alternative fuels, which includes green hydrogen and renewable diesel and natural gas. Deploying these innovations along with intelligent logistics will also realize energy efficiencies that dramatically reduce energy consumption and carbon footprint. Transitioning our industrial and manufacturing sectors to zero carbon will require major investments and changes for our buildings, means of production, and other infrastructure. Innovative new designs and smart technologies will be needed to make more sustainable architectures. Breakthroughs in carbon capture and storage will also be critical to remove these emissions from industrial operations and dispose the carbon or repurpose it in new ways.
We believe the world is on a multi-decade path toward creating a carbon-neutral economy. Multiple industries have embarked on an accelerating pace of innovation that will help achieve this goal. Companies that successfully create such carbon-neutral innovations have a significant opportunity to disrupt legacy industries and good potential for shareholder value creation. The innovative carbon-neutral strategy also aligns well with the growing consumer interest in ESG and sustainable investing, and we believe climate transition is the most important and biggest opportunities in our lifetime. Our experienced team has decades of experience investing in innovation with deep expertise across technology, energy, and industrials. We believe bottom-up fundamental analysis is key to identifying companies best positioned to transform our world to a more sustainable future over the next several decades. There are four key steps in the investment process: idea generation, stock selection, portfolio construction, and risk management. First, investment ideas are generated from a broad universe of global innovative companies. The decarbonization of our global economy requires taking a holistic approach to technological innovation and investing throughout the ecosystem that includes clean power generation, industrial transition, and transportation innovation. The 9-member portfolio management team identifies investment ideas from its own fundamental research across sectors, regular engagement with our global research platform, and interaction with sell-side analysts and industry participants. In addition, we believe that our location in the San Francisco Bay Area, one of the world's premier hubs of innovation, provides us with a unique competitive advantage. Second, once investment opportunities are identified, they are rigorously analyzed and evaluated based on three major factors of growth, quality, and valuation. We also look to identify companies with good low carbon transition scores, as well as favorable and improving ESG metrics. Third, portfolios are constructed on a bottom-up basis from a pool of candidates that are related to the carbon neutral opportunity and based on the upside-downside potential of each stock. Individual stock price targets are frequently adjusted as fundamentals change. This drives a continuous subjective reassessment of stocks' performance probabilities, which informs position sizes, buy and sell, and add trim decisions. Fourth, the team monitors portfolios on a continuous basis with frequent meetings and updates of companies, as well as regular interaction with sell-side analysts and comprehensive risk analysis from Allianz Global Investors' independent risk function. In summary, our world is in the beginning stages of building a carbon-neutral economy that will revolutionize all facets of human life and positively impact our environment. The fund offers pure exposure to this multi-decade decarbonization transformation, providing an opportunity for individual investors to participate and support this global effort. Thank you for your time and interest.